you know.
Hey! Copachon! Easy! Nemo!
Eh, mommy.
How many cham? You don't have me cham. I'm a master. I'm going to wear the other. Mom. You welcome, my
You now have a graduate.
Get it.
Graduate, oh.
My graduate. Beautiful graduate. You're welcome.
Mommy, look at you. You're looking so fresh, oh.
Don't say that.
This village is treating you nice.
Which village? Don't patronize me. I know you just want me to feel good, but don't say that, please.
Mommy,
say anything, but not this one. Which village? Village that has dropped my swag. Eh? This miserable village. Imagine a retired civil servant like me. I am now in this village, rubbing shoulders with Beatrice and her likes.
Are you women still on this?
My daughter, their problem is jealousy. Eh? Father Anthony wants me to be their chairperson. That is the problem. They felt otherwise.
Why?
What else? If not that, Father, he just came back to the village. And we've been here 20 years, 30 years, 50 years. It's even okay, I know I don't belong here.
But you don't have to be in this village for so long now. I'm very sure Father Anthony saw some good quality in you that they don't possess.
Excellent qualities. That was what he saw. Just jealousy. I know they are jealous.
Why, Euka?
Okay, honestly, your father really dealt with me. Dropping my swag. My steez. Was the more
composure.
Everything in one.
Why, Euka? How about wine? Mommy, let's take mommy. I
know. Welcome, my love.
Thank you, mommy.
Okay, the kilo in this box.
Nothing, no.
Let's go.
Only clothes.
I'll be kilo. I'll be kilo. Hey! No, come inside.
Hey! Mommy! Anything in the house? Everything. I have missed your meal. I missed you. Hell! I want vegetable soup, hot one.
Mama, I hope you like it.
I love it. It's been long.
I know.
You know how much I love this combination.
I know. Don't worry. This evening I'll prepare your favorite soup, onubu soup. It's correct ogili.
Hey! Never! I love this combination.
Caro?
Daddy.
You are here?
Yes, Daddy, good afternoon. I didn't know you're around.
I'm around. So, how is your program?
Well, I'm done.
Hey, great. I'm happy for you. I'm happy.
How is your health?
Well, as you can see, I'm still alive. So I thank God. Caroline, where is my food? I want to eat and take my afternoon drugs.
Hey. Wait now. Let my daughter finish eating now.
Go and give me my food. I want to take my drugs and then observe my siesta, as the doctor advised me. So, Caroline, go and give me my food.
Hey!
Can I have my food?
Hey! You will have it!
Give me my food.
Ah!
Go and get me my food.
Mariko, enjoy.
Caroline, do quick and give me.
What is your problem?
Caroline, go inside. Bring my food.
Osa, bring my food for me. Ay.
What? I don't like food. My daughter.
You and mommy all the time.
Don't mind her. Why did you just sneak into the house without asking after her?
I don't know.
At least you prepared a nice one for you.
Combination. Yeah, I love you.
Yeah, I know you love it.
How happy I am for your daughter, Ruby. That is your daughter, your beautiful Ruby. That is replica. I was so happy. I'm so
Excuse
happy
me,
with that.
I don't understand. Which one is daddy's replica? Is it not obvious that Ruby took after me?
Everybody in this world, up, down, inside the ground, everywhere around the world, everybody knows that Ruby took after her father. And I don't care. She's her father in everything.
Chinyere, Biko, let's not argue. Why am I even arguing with you? One came from my own daughter. Ruby that is like mother, like daughter. Can you the kind of policies can I And the RCC and the APP. Biko kwa. Enokwa. Biko thank us.
My sister. Now that your daughter is done with her university education and NYSC, we should talk about the most important thing. Augustine,
the most important thing. Which is what?
About Ebuka, my son, and your daughter.
Ebuka, your son, and my daughter Ruby. Yes. What about them?
My son Ebuka has declared interest in marrying your daughter Ruby.
Buchapo! I don't understand. Oh, really? Ebuka, your son, was actually waiting for me to train my daughter in the university before he will indicate his interest. Eh? Hey! I don't want to Chinyere.
What is wrong in my son Ebuka marrying Ruby? Is he not a man? Is he not handsome? Is he not he doesn't have money? Eh? Oh, you feel shallow.
Chinyere, my friend, everything is wrong. Everything is wrong.
Where is wrong?
Everything is wrong. Everything is wrong. Both of you are just dreaming about your destiny. You're dreaming above your destiny. Nyambia no libo no bala wanza. Alibo ya ngunu ntisi bulu. Kene Ebuka nkine kwuru maka ya. Ya nwa m Ebuka. Kambia gba break agba
wanza.
Your son. Kambia kwa
kambia.
Kambia.
Biawa ana m ege.
Come Adam ni bubu na also. If you want to end the friendship, I will end the friendship and we'll turn it to fight.
Nguzia.
When I get an argument.
Ngahu. Friendship na ge.
Go and join your son at secondary school. Illiterate. Now I know my graduate. No nobody I biko do. Dey bada kapanya. Enokwa. My side I ka wan tabari. Mariku. E ko na no. Unu di egwu. Both of you are dreamers. Chineke me. Chinyere on ki baba yale. Bupia. For your information, my daughter, my graduate, my Ruby, Omalecha Nwam, Odala Mmecha, we marry a car owner. Bam. She will marry a car owner that will carry her in front of his car. In fact, she will always be at the car owner. Ona Anyalia, I cannot marry it here. Not your illiterate son.
Carlos, go.
Lillian, I'm coming to Asaba now. For job hunt now, what else? Person guys come look for job now, what do you expect? Abi, you want job to come and look for you at home? No, no. You're very thin. When did I tell you that? No, I'm just SSS. Single, still searching. Oh, please. You know I broke up with him now. And why do you keep bringing him up in all of our conversations? Like, why? Nabegi, I'm done with him. Timmy is my ex.
Now, I think we should support our children, not this. Ebuka and Ruby will make it perfect. A wonderful couple.
Chinyere, Ebuka will not marry my daughter Ruby. Or in another issue with understanding things. Or whatever Balonyana. Besides, he's not the kind of man I want for my daughter.
Ebuka did not stop at primary school. While serving his master, Chief Bennett enrolled him in an adult education.
Yeah, night school now. Akwabani. Hey! Chinyere, Ibu is mad. Honestly, you're not a good person. So you want my beautiful, educated daughter to end up with such a man? Akwabani.
You should have allowed me to finish.
It's okay, stop saying anything.
Carol, Ebuka wrote to Ayeka Jump and he came out in flying colors and proceeded to the university after he settled.
Hey! Wow! Wow! Hey! Hey! Chinyere, clean your mouth. Feature where?
Is that it, Mama?
Ojuleju. Yes, now. Lies. I seen that again. Feature.
Lies how? Lies how now?
You just lied that Ebuka went to the university.
Ebuka went to the university. He graduated with second class in pharmacology.
Hey, Chijere, you're not smart. Hey, see the way she said it. Second class. Do you know the meaning of second class?
In pharmacology.
Ifa Mahiko. Chijere, I don't know you with lies, but for the very first time, for you, Giwaka. So you can lie like this. Ebuka, that went to do boy in Onitsha at Owogo. As soon as he finished his primary 6, Ebuka came back another Ebuka. How manage? From where to where? Or some
lie. The only thing I know in life that is constant is change.
No problem. Use that change to prepare fried rice and chicken. You need it to and Ebuka your son. Hey!
Do this.
Yeah, I'm telling you the truth. By God's grace, our business is scattered all over the world. You know, We are the best. Our drugs is from India, one of the best in the country. We will not give you nonsense. I am telling you by special grace of Almighty God, our company is scattered all over the country. Yes. We are really known for good and quality drugs. Yes. Our pharmacy is well recognized and well known, and I'm a Christian, so I cannot lie to you. There is no way I'll give you fake drugs. Okay, just send your details and all that. My boys will package your consignment and get it to your location. Just trust me, we're not playing, trust me. It's okay, yeah. You're coming. Okay, what took you so long?
Sorry, sir. I was actually waiting for him to do the transaction.
You were waiting for him to do the transaction, and you wasted my time.
There was a lot of customer in his shop. He even asked me to come back to our shop, then later come to his own shop, but I said no, I'll wait for him to do the transaction.
If you had come back, I would have sent you back to him. Just package yourself and go to the warehouse. I will tell you what to do.
Okay, sir.
Hey! Hey, I'm no! Hey!
Welcome.
Thank you. Hey! No. How are you?
I'm fine. How was your meeting?
It was fine. I hope you've had something to eat.
Yes, I have.
My dear, guess what?
Tell me, what is it?
Just guess small.
Mommy, I can't guess. What happened?
My daughter, there is nothing Caroline will not see in this village. Just because your father brought me back here, these women think we are of the same class.
Who did you quarrel with this time around?
I did not quarrel with anybody. But what happened is bigger than quarrel. Is it not Chinyere? Omalicham? Chinyere opened her mouth wide and vomited rubbish.
Chinyere. The one you people call Chinyenwa.
Yes! You know that Chinyenwa was, that name was given to her. One time a certain women group came to teach us cultural dance steps. The time we welcomed our bishop into the parish, that was when they gave her that name.
Okay, so what happened?
Wonder shall never end. Chinyere said, Caro, my good friend, my son Euka has declared his intention to make your daughter Ruby his wife. Inegekwa. Yeah!
Euka, her only child.
Ebuka is the volleyball, the same Ebuka that you know, that went to serve Mr. Bennett when he left primary 6. That same Ebuka wants to marry my beautiful graduate, the most beautiful girl in this village. Yes, now. In fact, laugh. You're supposed to laugh. They are dreaming above their destiny, and I gave it to her today. Trying to hang your bag where your hand did not reach. Of all the girls, all these local girls here, all my well-tushed, in fact, well-made, beautiful daughter, Ebuki iti volleyball, iti pataka wants to marry. If any man are there.
But, Mommy, I don't think there's anything wrong with what she did, though. I'm a lady ripe for marriage, and it's okay for any man to tell me how they feel about me.
It's okay. But when the ones that are not meant for you, when they come, place them where they belong. Eh? It's Ibolibo, Ebuka. Hey, Namara, eh? Chinyere nkwa God so. Carry my friend.
Ma! Oh my, I said it's not around. Mama, you cannot just barge into the
Don't I have eyes? Who asked you to talk?
I'm just saying it's not right for you to just enter the office like that now.
Why?
He's not around.
Who is he?
Ma, he's not around.
Who is he?
My boss.
My fiancé. And I have eyes, don't I?
I know, Ma, but he's not
Then
around.
get out of this place immediately. Do you want to lose your job? Get out!
Ma,
I said get out.
Ma, please, this thing is not proper. Ma, he's not around, please. Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, your fiancée has been here, and I told her you are not around, but she refused to leave. Okay. No, sir. I didn't insult her. I just told her you went for a business meeting. Okay, sir. Okay. Alright.
So you mean Ebuka is now a graduate?
Graduate. Did you believe that? Eh? How possible is it? Let me ask you. Have you ever heard that Ebuka got enrolled in a night school?
Mommy, you don't expect them to be singing a song to any ear that cares to listen. You are learned, you should know better.
Forget those people just trying to claim what they are not. Forget them.
Carolina, I go on.
To me, it took a month to rubber. And Manokwa and the man non lepo. Let me tell you, Ebuka must not enter this compound, let alone coming to ask your hand in marriage. Because I will empty a full bucket of water on his head.
No. You don't have to say that.
How do you mean? Don't sound like her. What I'm telling you. What is it?
Caroline, are you going to marry your daughter? Eh?
Who invited you in this conversation now? Who invited you? Eh?
Hey!
You go leave us.
Come, let me tell you. What you are sowing in these children, you will reap it 100-fold. Oh. Huh?
That's your business. I've said what I said. No church rat will come here to marry my daughter. It's not possible. Anybody that must marry my daughter must be rich. I've said it. I hope you're hearing me.
I'll still marry for love.
Just put that place. Which love? Love of Kaneu. Love of Sinara. Love of Makwoko. So I trained you in the university for you to talk about love. Which love? Eh? The only person that will marry you is a rich man. That person must be rich. Do you want to be like me? Please don't say that again. Take a look at me. Eh? Simply because I got married to a civil servant.
Eh? See? Will you shut up?
Shut up, again. Not while up and down. This minute I'm hungry. The next minute, the only thing remaining is for me to wear him pampers. Listen, if you don't know how to magnet and attract a rich man, I'll teach you. What is that? Please go inside. Go inside, Biko. Go inside now, or you go outside. Choose one.
My daughter, don't allow her to mislead you, okay? With all this her fetish advice, I don't know what I would call it.
Because live here. Fetish. Listen. Listen to me. You know your father is frustrated. He's not frustrated. Stop this, Bobby. I'm your mother. I can't deceive you. You see, man, if wishes were horses, you think I'll marry him? I will not marry him. You can't do it. You need to walk up on Diego. Money talks. See, just be like me. Be on the same page with me. And all shall be well. I can't continue suffering, you know. Ha! Do you see yourself at all? How beautiful you are. If what shape, what I can. One bubbles and labels man. Then I nonsense. Don't say it again. Don't want to get angry.
Hello, babe. I'm at your office. Meaning what exactly? Don't get me angry. No, you're beginning to infuriate me. You know what? Never mind. I know just what to do. Babe, you are here.
You didn't tell me you were coming over. Why?
That's because you got me infuriated at the office. So I decided to come back home to wait for you.
And why did you run out of the office in fury?
Simply because you refused me at your office. Baby, I'm honey. Make love to me.
I am just coming back, okay? Why don't you go make something for me to eat while I freshen up? Then I'll come downstairs and see you.
Really? Why is it always about you, and you all the time? What about me? Listen, you want food and I want sex, okay? We can work something out. Let's do this, then we'll talk about food later.
Then let me freshen up, eat, have strength.
No, baby. You don't need to freshen up. We can just...
I am dirty. I can't do this. I'm just coming
I'm the one involved here. And I'm not saying you're dirty, am I? You're not dirty. So let's just do this. It won't take...
I need to freshen up, eat, then have the strength to touch you. What? I know you don't.
Yeah. You don't have to.
Hold on.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's never enough for you. You're a sex maniac.
Is that
You
it?
love...
That's a good thing. Yes, I do have sex.
Babe, I need to freshen up.
Agreed. But come on, we need to do this. Then you can freshen up
Come
and then you can eat. No arguments, please.
Come south.
No!
Wait.
Don't do it.
Let me freshen up.
No, you're
God.
not going.
Caroline, you are more shameless than I thought.
Roland, you called me shameless again. Ozo, you called me shameless, Roland.
Look at you. An old woman that doesn't want to accept the fact that she's growing old. Hey! You don't want to grow old. You have phobia for old age. But let me tell you, just look at you. You are still aging.
I don't understand. What is your problem with this? You're aging. You don't want to grow old. Why are you so much in a haste to drag me into the league of your old people? Are you the one that made me old?
Oh,
eh?
Nature made you old.
Nature made me old. Yes. Roland, let me ask you. Are my mates not in Lagos? Hustling and bustling. You brought me back here. You brought me back here to frustrate me, right?
You are free to go back to Lagos and continue with your lewd lifestyle.
What did I hear you say?
Oh.
Are you accusing me of infidelity?
Caroline, you think I don't know? Oh, swear and die. I brought you back from Lagos to this village. Yet you continued.
Roland, listen. I cannot stand here and watch you accuse me of what I know nothing about. If what you just said, you can prove it. You will prove it.
I will prove it anywhere. Anywhere. Go and thank your stars. Is it because I still keep you under my roof?
You said you prove it, right?
Yes.
Get ready to prove it. You can prove it.
I will. Look at her. Where are you going? Where are you running to? You are running away. Come here. It's not your time to run, oh. It's not your time to run. Your children will know about this. They will know the kind of mother they have. Look at you. Just look at her. You can't sit at a place. Pam, 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 pam.
Oh, oh, I'm tired. Woo. Hey, hello. What is this? Nah, I'm gonna put on money here, man. Shit.
What's that for?
What for? Eh?
No, I don't get. Like, seriously? You're tired? After just 2 rounds?
2 rounds. On a Jukwa I can't give after just 2 rounds. What do you mean by that? I mean, I'm kind of famished. I'm hungry.
You're kind of famished. You're not really famished. And we've just had 2 rounds. And you know I'm never satisfied with 2 rounds.
I need to eat before anything. You don't have... See. Just,
baby.
Just stop.
Stop what exactly? I know you say what amazing. Tell me.
I want to eat. You can't continue doing this. Please. Ah, shit. Oh, that thing you're doing is
what? Is what?
Oh.
Is what exactly? I know you like it.
It's gonna roast me again. Ah!
Babe.
Yeah.
I'm leaving.
Okay. Greet your people for me.
Is that all you say? I'm talking to you.
You said you're leaving, I said. Okay? My regards to your people. What else do you want to say?
Is that it?
As you can see, I am busy and I actually want to get busy right now, okay? Yeah.
When I'm talking to you, you pay attention to me.
What is wrong with you?
Now I should be asking you, what is wrong with you? What's working you up?
Jennifer, can you define this relationship?
Pretty simple. We're engaged to be married.
Really?
Yes.
And he can cook.
Where's that coming from? I thought we've grown past that phase.
Really?
Yes.
You thought we've grown past cooking for your man, your family to eat? Where are you driving at?
Babe, I can't cook. I don't even cook for myself. So stop emphasizing and just talking about this cooking shit. I don't care. Stop it. You already know I can't cook. So what's this?
So why do you always run into me whenever your thing is crashing? Why do you always walk around me?
That's because you are my man.
You can cook. You can't do anything. You can't do any house chores. You can't even wash. You can't even prepare my meal.
Why are you complaining? Why are you complaining exactly?
Jennifer, as you can see, I actually want to get busy. I want to prepare something for myself to eat.
And what's that supposed to mean?
You see, what you're doing right now is getting me crazy. I've actually gotten it up to here. Okay? I am done with this rubbish. Just go. Please. Hey!
I love you. Bye. Don't miss me too much.
Who is this? Who the hell is this? Huh? Damn. Wow. Some people do. Maybe Funyala.
Sap. I feel absolutely nothing for him. I'm just using him to fill the vacuum. The vacuum my London boyfriend's absence created. Oh, Donald, I miss you. I miss you so much. My Donald, my one true love, the true definition of my existence. Immediately he comes back, I'll just trash her. Oh, I know it will feel heartbroken, but that doesn't matter. Because then I will be living the life with my boyfriend Donald. Oh, I miss you, Donald. Oh, I wish you were here with me. I love you. I love you so much, Donald. I can't wait to have you back. You know.
Mama, good evening. Mama, I know what the problem is. I'm going to see you when I'm back from my trip. I'll come. Hey, Mama, what are you saying? What do you want? Mama, no, you're not. Don't worry, I'll do just that. I'll bring her for you to see soon. Mama, what is it now? Stop thinking. I'll do what you want. I'm going to give you grandchildren, plenty. Okay? Mama, I'll find a wife for myself, please. Mama, please, I'm going somewhere now. I'll call you when I'm back. Okay? I'll call you. Bye-bye.
Where to, baby?
I have to go home, just relax, okay? I'll see you when tomorrow.
Don't go. Come on, babe. It's late and it's dangerous out there. Besides, I want to feel the whole of you in the inside of me. Come.
Come on, Sam.
Morning.
You are awake already.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. How was your night?
And yours?
I did not sleep at all.
Why?
I don't know. I was thinking all through about my life generally and how I ended up in this village.
So that's why you did not sleep? Eh? Mommy. Hey. I thought you would like it here. The peace and calm in this village. It's even what you need in this your old.
Ruby, you've started again. You and this old age. Okay, this is Bikon. How old am I? Eh?
Let's not go there. Please, I'll be leaving for Asaba for job hunt.
God bless you. I was about telling you this. Eh? It's better you leave before one idiot comes here to ask for your hand in marriage again.
Hey, Mommy. Your hate for Akabe Dutch people, eh? I never see.
I hate them. I hate them with passion. What am I doing here?
But it's your village and your husband's village.
I prefer Lagos than here. I'm a city woman, can't you see? Eh?
You know, it still surprises me how you prefer the hustling and bustling in Lagos to the serenity in this village. Besides, you and Daddy are aging graciously, and this is what you need in your old.
Ruby, let it sink. I am not old.
Mommy, look. The earlier you accept that you're getting old, or you're even old, the better. Accept it. Huh? Baby. Baby.
Babe, are you using the restroom? Baby. Hey. Babe. Hello. Where did you go to?
By the way, I am not worried. You can say anything you want to say. As far as I'm concerned, Lagos is better than here. Okay, So tell me, I heard Asaba is a big city too.
Yeah, Asaba is beautiful.
Wow. Okay. Thank God. So as soon as you get a job, I'll be moving to Asaba straight.
And leave your husband in the village for who?
Which husband? Who is talking about husband? Hey, I don't understand. A man that nags like a woman, a handsome husband.
Please,
No, nothing like please. Oh. Maybe you've not noticed. Your father is my co-wife. Hey, I no longer see him as my husband though. One, let me tell you, in all thy getting, one, get wisdom. Never you ever pray to marry a man like your father. If not, you'll be doomed for life. You know, mommy.
Brush your teeth. You're outside. Don't forget. You also have ears.
What is there to hide? I can even scream at the top of my voice. Of course now, everybody knows that your father is a woman. It's just that God mistakenly gave him a male genital organ. What is more?
Eh? So is this your constant nagging that triggered daddy's BP? Eh? What is it that he even did to you? What did he do to you?
You want to know, right? He brought me back from Lagos to this miserable village.
Okay, no problem. You know what? You can go back to Lagos. Go back to Lagos and allow this man have his sanity. Since you prefer the chaos there, go now.
I'm not going back to Lagos again. I prefer Asaba.
Eh? How?
Just get a house first, then I'll tell you how.
Mommy, you are not coming to live with me in Asaba. You're going to stay here with your husband.
Are you playing?
I'm not, oh. You will stay here with your husband.
When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it.
There's no bridge. There's no bridge. The bridge is here.
Hello, Jenny. Yeah, I want us to go see my mom before I travel.
Why are you so much in a hurry? You said you're embarking on a business trip. Go and come back. I'll be here waiting. I'm not running.
Why are you talking like this? I see you don't have atom of feelings for me.
Baby, you know that's not true. I love you. You are my word, the true meaning of my existence.
Then marry me. Then let's do this. Marry me.
Well, we will get married. Just go on your trip and come back. I mean, we'll have all the time on the world to plan our wedding.
This is what you say all the time. Meanwhile, we're still stuck in one place.
Well, babe, should I come over? Should I have a sleepover? Come on, babe. I've already told you, sweetness lies in between your thighs.
Jenny, be serious for once, please.
Listen, baby. Marriage comes with a lot of responsibility. It's not something you handle with kids, though.
Why are you doing this? Okay, let me ask you something. Why do you have phobia for marriage? Is there anything wrong? Is there something you're not telling me? Because this is what every girl wants to jump at. Is there something you're not telling me?
Well, baby, I am not every girl. I am Jennifer, the daughter of a multi-billion-dollar politician.
Are you seeing someone that you don't want to tell me of?
Of course not. There is no guy in the big picture.
Then let's do this. Let's get married. Let's just do this once and for all. Why?
No. Come on. No. Oh, please. Babe, you can go freshen up and
Whenever I talk about marriage, this is what you always do. You just hang up on me.
Caro, yeah. Caro, onye nsogbu. Caro, nwanyị nsogbu. Caro, onye nsogbu. Caro, nwanyị nsogbu. Anywhere she enters, she dey cause a wahala. Even for her
Daddy,
family, she
my daughter,
I'm going to Asaba.
you are traveling to Asaba, and you never deemed it fit to tell me, your father. You didn't inform me before now. Why?
Daddy, don't overthink it. I forgot.
You forgot, but you didn't forget to tell your mother that you are traveling to Asaba, did you?
Why are you calling my name now? Okuibido.
Are you both still like this? Eh? When will you stop getting on each other's throat? I thought by this time you'd have started letting go of this baggage.
He started it.
You
Every
want
time,
to start
Caro,
again?
Caro.
What is wrong with you? What is your problem? Always you just want to make... I'm warning you.
Biko, come and start going. Oh, I don't like this night travel. Once you get there, make sure you call me. Oh?
You want to stay in charge,
Hey, take care of yourself.
Is this old age or what?
Oh, I don't know. You think you are young too? Are you not old?
That thing you're looking for, I'll give it to you soon.
Me?
You want
to do what?
You think you're still principal? You used to be principal, not anymore.
You think you are Caroline? You used to be Caro and lie. What do you want to do? What's wrong?
Don't worry.
Oh, you want to beat me? In my own house? Hey! Caroline. Look, she has gradually turned my children against me. Their father. Caro.
Wow. Are my eyes pranking me or what?
Ebuka!
Ruby!
This is you!
Yes, this is Ebuka. For real.
You?
Yes.
Hey!
Come on. Come inside the car.
My bag!
Okay, hold on, let me help you. Wow. Wow.
Hey!
Wow. See Rubio. How are you?
Ebuka,
Yeah.
I am still in shock.
Why?
Is this you?
It's me.
Hey!
Ebuka that you know.
Ebuka! Do you know that if I don't know you very well, I will say this is not you.
For real.
I would not have recognized you.
Oh.
Hey! See Ebuka, my brother!
Ruby, I am not your brother, mind you.
Ebuka, bye.
Yes, I am not your brother. You know I can marry you and marry you very well. Eh? Okay, fine. We are from the same community, from the same place, but not same kindred. I can actually get married to you and marry you well. And love you well.
Ebuka, please. You are my brother.
Oh, stop saying
Ebuka, bye.
See, we are not just related in any way. That's just the truth.
We are related from the same place.
No.
Maybe not by blood. But yes, we are from the same place, Ebuka. Ebuka, please. Look at you.
Ruby, we are not blood related. Just know that.
I know. No problem. Let's not argue it. Let me talk about you. Ebuka, you look so handsome and rich.
And you're looking fresh.
Like this.
And good.
Please.
Sweet girl.
I just came here to look for a job. Came to Osama for job hunt.
Oh, really?
Yes. I was just on my way to my friend's place before you saw me.
Male or female?
Female.
Okay.
Ebuka! See now, see how your car is chilling, no?
You can say that again. Oh my God.
Hey!
You're welcome to my home.
My goodness.
What?
Hey! Euka! Hey! Bros!
Come on. What is it?
Do you know that so many people in our community do not know you are this middle?
Yeah, I love to keep it low.
You
know?
Please. Bros, you can't hide money, you know now. No, it's not possible.
We can say that again.
This is your house.
Yeah, this is my house. Meanwhile, what do I offer you? What do you care for?
Please. Allow me feed my eyes. Oh.
Hello, Mama. How are you? Mama, guess who I saw today? Which movie are you talking about? Mama, is Ruby the girl you've been telling me about?
Mom! Onye? No. Mom!
Get it?
Mom!
Hey! Nah.
Whoa, you're looking so good.
How are you and you too?
I'm okay. How is everybody?
Everybody's fine.
Oh.
You're welcome.
So what about that?
Where else will he be? He's inside reading newspaper.
So what about Ruby?
Ruby left to Asaba this morning.
Oh. But I thought I would have met her. Oh. Mom, this is Stacy, my fiancée.
Yeah. That's your mom.
Yes.
Jesus Christ. Did I hear you say fiancé? Fiagene. What is this?
Mom.
Okay, Metro no so. What kind of disgrace is this? Eh? Amongst all the beautiful girls in Lagos, did not see any good one. And these old ones that take time where their front and their back.
Mom!
What is mom?
Can you stop? This is my fiancé for calling out loud.
Metrono! Which fiancé? What is this thing, Biko Chinekeni? Bia, what is your name?
My name is Stacy.
Did you hear her name? Stacy. This Indomie generation, we are in the Gen Z now. Eh? I don't even know the species she came from. Do you have intestine? No, I'm sorry to say this, but you're not a white material.
Mom!
You don't stop talking to Mom, Mom, Guinea. Chineke na not prepared to forget the guy. Okay, the guy. Only got fire.
Mom!
Can you get Mom?
You're embarrassing her now.
Don't be embarrassed. Let me tell her the truth. Why are you promoting her? Do you eat at all?
Of course, ma'am.
You don't. Don't lie.
Yay!
Listen, Kenneth. The only thing I hate is when you lie. Don't tell lies. I'm your mother and I know you. I know the kind of woman you love. Why are you deceiving her?
Mom, can you stop? She's my choice.
Choice is Chowapugono. If for that choice is Chowapugono. How can she be your choice? Eh? Mama, Bia, listen. You cannot marry my son. If you are looking for a way to keep this your tiny... You know, I feel so irritated right now.
Mom, you're embarrassing her.
Well, embarrassing who? You embarrass me by bringing this kind of person to me. Adam Moba. You embarrassing me by bringing someone that looks like this.
Just stop. You see all this trash happening here? I'm not in.
No, calm down. She's joking.
I'm done.
She's joking. Calm down.
Wait, I'm not joking.
I'm just leaving.
You won't marry my son. You won't marry my son.
Babe! Mom! This is what just caused.
Shut up and tell me thank you. I saved you. Yes, can I say thank you, man? Come on, say thank you, man.
If I lose this girl, I will not forgive you.
Onye? If you lose which girl? Yeah. Onye na happen button.
Now, if I tell you that Ruby is right here with me in my house, you will believe it. Okay, let me give her the phone so you talk with her.
Hello, ma. Yes, mommy. It's a coincidence, mommy. Bob and I ran into each other on my way to my friend's house. Oh, I'm a bit famished. Mommy, please. Yes, ma. Bye, mommy.
So?
Well, really, I'm hungry. I don't know if I can use your kitchen.
Yes, of course.
I hope you have food stuff.
Oh, come on, enough. This way.
Okay.
Whoa.
Hey.
What is your problem? What is the argument all about? Huh? Were you this fat when I came to your father's house to marry you? Huh? Was it not after you started making babies that you started to put on flesh? Was it not? So what is your problem?
Thank you, Dad. Exactly my point. I saw mommy picture when she was younger and unmarried. She looked just like Stacy.
How did you know you saw her there?
I saw the picture.
Oh, you saw the picture. She was tiny like
Very
this.
tiny.
Tiny like this.
You lie. Roland, stop lying. You're a principal. Please don't lie. I was never like her. I don't understand you. Eh? You've not even seen this girl. Let me tell you. Forget that we used to have our own argument and misunderstanding. If you see how you vomit, the girl does not have intestine.
Mom!
The girl is not presentable. I'm
Not
telling you.
again. Mom, but
is she like that?
Yes!
It's a lie!
Listen, I know the kind of daughter-in-law you're expecting. I'm not choosing for him.
You see Mom, right?
One tiny skinny thing like that.
Where?
Very like patches.
Where is she?
She's in the car.
In the car. Go and bring her.
Roland, if you see this girl, for me to say no, she does not befit to be our daughter-in-law of a principal. Not to talk of me, Caroline.
Are you sure?
Your mom insulted me. Your mom called me all sorts of names. Your mom said I'm so thin. Oh my God.
Come on. I know. I was there. I saw all that. But she doesn't mean it. My mom can be like that sometimes. It's just... Okay, you know what? My coming in here is not for my mom. I need to come and say hi to my dad.
What makes you think I'm gonna do it?
Because he asked me to call you.
I will never do that.
Come on.
When you came to my house, my parents welcomed you with an open arms, without minding your low status. Now it got to my own turn. Your mom turned this whole thing to something else. Your mom called me all sorts of names. Your mom looked at me face to face and said that I'm poor, that I look hungry, that I look hungry. She called my father Chifimbamano poor. No. My dad must hear this.
She doesn't know about your family. She doesn't know anything. Just all I want you to do is come and see my dad. That's all.
Your family is a red flag. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. Take me back to Lagos. Your mom is driving me so crazy.
I'm sorry. You love me, right?
Babe, I love you, but I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. I'm fed up.
Calm down.
Oh, God. This meal is good. Oh, you know, egusi soup and wheat is a good combo.
For real.
It's nice.
For real.
This meal is wonderful.
I'm
I'm really enjoying it.
happy you are. Every man loves good food.
I love good food. Don't you know this saying that good food is a way to a man's heart?
Man on their stomach.
I don't play with my stomach. I love good food. It's just like, I mean, you're the best chef ever.
Thank you, my brother.
You're welcome. My village girls knows how to cook. Alright. You know, my mother says something that struck me.
What did you say?
She said, have you guys met?
Mommy! Mommy!
Hey, Ruby.
Mommy!
How are you?
I'm fine, good afternoon.
Ezigbo nwa. Hey, where are you coming from?
I went to the market to buy food stuff for my mother.
Ezigbo nwa. Nwa dị ụsọ. Did Caroline, your mother, tell you my discussion with her concerning you and Ebuka?
Mommy, what about Ebuka and I?
I told Caroline that I want Ebuka, my son, to marry you.
Well, truth is, she said something like that.
And then what did you say?
I mean, the thing is, it's been a long time since I saw Euka. And I don't even know if he will want me.
Says who? Ruby, you are a very beautiful girl. You are educated. You possess all the character traits. Who wouldn't want you? Let me tell you, I want the best for my son, Euka.
Mommy, I don't have anything to say for now until I see him. Also, I think he should be the one telling me this. This matchmaking thing is not my thing, no.
Don't worry. I am the one concerned. I am his mother. So forget who will say. My own opinion matters a lot. I have to go now. As I have said it, that is the way it will be. Ebuka, my son, will marry you.
I never knew you were the one she's been telling me about.
I can tell you for a fact that Mommy likes me a lot from the get-go.
My mom has some dots for you, you know. She has a very special place in her heart for you. She can just stop talking about you.
I love her though. I love her. She has the purest of heart.
Do you have a boyfriend?
I used to. But I broke up with him.
What caused the breakup?
I hate lies. He lies a lot.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Imagine telling his friends that he has slept with me when I know that I'm still a virgin.
What? Are you saying you've not done it before? A beautiful girl like you, a Lagos brought up, pretty damsel, like you, with good curves and everything, still a virgin?
Enough of me. Tell me about yourself. Do you have a girlfriend? What was it about her that struck you first time you met her?
Yeah, I have a girl I'm seeing. Yeah, she's pretty well exposed from a rich home. Yeah, her father is is a renowned politician. Yeah.
Oh, I'm not surprised she's pretty, because I'm sure you have good eyes. Any plans of walking down the aisle with her thing? What?
This meat is very soft and nice.
You just mean very leprous woman being.
And then what is wrong with that?
She does not have intestine.
Ah!
I'm telling you the truth, Roland. I'm telling you the truth. You're saying what you
Good afternoon, my daughter. How are you doing?
You say,
I'm fine, sir.
Oh. You are welcome to my home.
Thank you. You look so cute. That's where you got it from.
Just like father, like son. Hey, my dear, how are your parents?
They are fine.
They're good.
They send their regard to you.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Mom.
yes, I. Who are son? Is something wrong with you? Where is your mom? Yeah, mom. Mom, get it.
Mom.
Which mom?
What is it again?
Listen, my son will not marry this thing, this tiny thing.
Oh.
My son will not marry her.
Oh.
Tell her the truth, Roland.
Oh.
Stop pretending.
Oh.
Why are you brainwashing her?
Remember, I just told you you were like this.
I was never like her.
When I married
God forbid. I was never like her.
And then let him marry who he
Tell
wants.
her the truth. Tell her the truth.
What is the problem about? What is the truth
that
now?
my son cannot marry her. We cannot marry her. My son will not marry you.
Dad. Dad, I don't like what mom is doing, no.
My son will not marry you. I said so.
Stacy, please, you don't have to feel low, okay? Don't feel...
She's low already.
Please, don't feel rejected, okay?
You are rejected.
Mom, can you stop this?
Say the truth now.
Enough.
Oh, I hate liars.
My daughter, I am the head of this family,
Ewa.
okay? And by the virtue of that, my son, Kenneth, you have my blessing.
Which blessing? Which blessing?
You have my blessing.
My son will not marry you. It's a blessing. No. My son will not marry you.
Mama, what has she done to you?
You will not marry her. You will not marry her.
Has she done enough to you?
You're a man of God. You're a great man. You're a great man.
Of course.
Principal. By the virtue. Which virtue? Listen, let me tell you.
Baby, I'm so scared.
You have to be scared.
No.
Mom,
What's your problem?
Roland,
What is your problem?
Roland.
Why must you be doing this?
you are the one that I don't understand. Roland, be a man.
What is wrong with this lady? That's how you was there.
God will judge you.
Which God that will judge
You're asking me what is wrong with this girl.
What is wrong with her?
God will judge you. God will judge you.
Because I made you like this.
You made who?
Because I made you like this now.
This is hard work, oh.
Which hard work? Which hard work? Don't let me lose it. Don't let.
How much is the salary? Principal.
You want to start again?
Principal.
You want to start again?
What can you do?
You want to start
What
again?
can you do, Roland?
You want to start again?
What can you do?
I'm not.
You are also. You are old. Not those days to be speaking big grammar. No sense.
Caro. Caro. Onye nsogbu. Caro.
So actually, your mom wants me to be a plus size. I thought you said your mom is educated.
Babe, I told you to forget about what my said, okay? Just forgive her.
Your mom is a very big red flag for me. I can do all this shit. I can do this. I can deal with her. I can't.
What's wrong with you?
You know what? I'm flying back to Lagos with first class tomorrow morning. I don't care. Babe, what?
What's wrong with you?
What is it?
What's wrong with you? I said it's okay. I'm sorry about what my mom said. Okay? At least my dad accepts you.
I don't care.
Okay, fine. Just forget about what you did.
See, let me tell you, I can't be in a family where my mother-in-law doesn't love me, doesn't want me.
Taking this in too far. Just calm down.
Your mom looks like a witch. Let me tell you something. Do you know that your mom looks like all these women that just want to be the head of the family? I just pity your poor dad. Yes.
What did you just say?
It's obvious your mom looks like a witch. I don't want to get
That's
tired.
me.
I don't care.
Do you realize I'm talking to my mom?
I don't care. I don't want to get married and 10 years I don't have kids.
Why would you?
Your mom can tie me. I don't know. It's obvious. It's written all over her.
What do you mean? What are you trying to say?
Kenneth, take me back. Take me back. Just drive me to the airport. I need to leave.
What do you mean that my mom is a... Like, what are you trying to say?
Your mom is a witch. Your mom is a witch. Can't you see her? Do you look at her eyes? Do you see that? Your mom is a witch.
You're losing it.
I am done. Your mom is driving me
Can you just stop this?
Your mom is driving me mad.
God.
Just take me back to Lagos. Take me back to Lagos. I am done. I am done with you. Fuck you. Fuck your family. Fuck your mom. I don't freaking care.
Fuck you too.
I don't care.
Are you stupid?
I don't care.
How dare you go to my mom?
I don't care.
How dare you call my mom stupid?
I don't care. Take me back to Lagos.
Fuck my mom.
I don't care.
How dare
I don't
you?
care. I don't
Fuck
care.
you.
Just let me be. Just let me be. I'm done with this whole marriage. I'm done with this whole thing. My dad must hear this. Yes, my dad must hear this.
I don't care. I don't care anymore.
My dad must hear this.
Who the hell do you think you are?
Oh, you see, they're not turning you back against me. Everybody's not turning against me. The whole world is against me. My mother-in-law is against me. Everybody should just fuck up.
You know what? Fuck you. I don't care anymore.
I don't care.
I don't understand you. What the hell? Have you got to the extent you calling my mom a witch?
I don't care. I don't know why you brought me here. Look at this village. I don't care. I don't know where I am.
Caroline, know when to stop. Huh? Know when to stop. Biko.
Roland, don't call me.
Roland.
Don't call my name, Roland.
Don't call. If I call your name, what will you do? What will you do?
Papa, when your wife I don't understand. When your wife?
What again?
Are you an enemy of my progress? You just put everything for me. Just put my relationship. That guy I'm dating, the daughter of Dr. Mbamalu, the owner of Hope Gate Hospital. That's the person I'm dating. And she's put everything for me. I don't understand.
Wait a minute. You mean that small girl with tiny waist is the daughter of a rich man?
Yes, Mama. He just put everything for me. She's the daughter of a billionaire. Dr. Mbamalu, he spoils everything. I don't know. Do you know how hard it took me to get her? Do you know?
You see what you've cost?
Hey! Dr. Mbamalu, I know her mother.
Come on.
What? Her mother is the IG of police.
If you go, Papa, you hear this? She just spoiled everything. Now the girl has broken up with me. She says she's no longer interested because of Mama. I don't know what I did to you. All my plans, you scattered everything. You scattered my plans. All the whole plans that I have in my life, you scattered it, you shattered it just because of your wickedness. Hi.
Caro.
Now how will I go about this thing? I know how hard it took me to get this girl.
I know how you feel.
All the whole money that I've been giving to Mama to share with you, Mama took everything.
Money for two of us?
Yes, Papa.
Hi. Caroline. Pity yourself. This your mouth has caused more harm than good. Hi! This would have been a ticket out of poverty. What do I do to this my mouth?
Caroline, slap your mouth. Slap it.
He spoils everything for me, Mama. He spoils it. I don't even know how to get about. I don't even know how to go about this. I don't even know how to get her again. All the money I've been giving to you, she was not giving me the money. Even this car I'm driving, she was not giving me this car on my birthday. Yes, Papa. Yes, she gave me this car on my birthday.
I thought you got a job.
Which job? Which job, Mama? Job that pay me that little salary, that peanut.
Yeah. See what? This is pure confirmation of having an efulefo as a son. Kambekwa. So you've been living off that little girl. You eat from women. Just listen to yourself. All the money I've been giving to you, even this car, she bought it for me. Really? She bought this car for you. So I gave birth to an efulefo.
Mama.
Is it Mama?
Hey!
What will I not hear?
Hey!
Hey, Gini!
You and your mouth! Hey! You and your mouth! Your mouth!
Your son is an eflefu! Hey!
Mama, this is all you can say. You don't even remorse for what you did. Eh? I just lost a billionaire daughter. Look at what you're saying.
My son, calm down. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Come,
Papa!
Come. Let's go inside.
How will I get her back now?
Go inside. We will discuss that. You know your father.
Papa,
it's okay.
You need to question now. Now how will I get her back?
Hello, Jennifer. I'm sure you must be Jennifer. I've heard a lot about you. Nice meeting you in person.
You must be the new housekeeper.
No. My name is Ruby. Sab's sister.
What sister? The last time I checked, he doesn't have a sister. He's an only child. Who are you and what are you doing in my fiance's house?
Ebuka and I are from the same village.
Please sit. I'll smile.
What would you care for?
Hey, cleaner? Jennifer, clean.
Why? Jennifer, I'm sure the glass of juice you're wasting on the floor is bought with money.
I bought it, so I can waste it. Clean up.
Even if you bought it with your money, is that why you have to waste it?
I gave you a simple instruction. What is it to you in the first place? I can decide, in fact, I can waste it because I bought it. In fact, the whole of it if I please. The instruction is simple. Clean up.
As your what? Your cleaner?
Well, my man's cleaner. So clean, because that's what you do. Hey! I'm talking to you. You can't just ignore me. Hello? What's wrong with you?
What's with the drama? What's it?
I asked you to do something simple, which is to clean. Clean up! How dare you walk out on me? Are you silly?
What were you trying to do? Hit me? On your life. Not even in your dreams.
You know what? You're leaving this house today, not even tomorrow. Babe! Babe!
What is going on here?
Babe.
What is going on?
Where did you get this animal from? Because she just slapped me. She slapped me twice on my right and left cheek.
Oh, really?
What? Jennifer! Did I slap you? Just now you did.
It's a lie, Euka. I did not touch her. She was the one who tried to slap me and then I intercepted her.
I know.
What? Are you trying to contradict me? Are you calling me a liar in front of your cleaner?
I saw everything. Besides, she's not a cleaner.
Are you cheating on me? Answer me!
She's my wife.
What? What did you say? Listen, if you are trying to ditch me, this will not work. Do you understand?
Yes, you heard me clearly. And I saw everything. I saw when you poured wine on the floor and I asked my wife to clean up your mess. Are you stupid? You're not yalla. Are you mad or something?
If this is your ploy to just get me out of here, it's not going to work. Okay? It won't work. If I can't have you, no girl will. What's this?
Hey, see, I know that your boyfriend, your London guy that left you, came back with another woman. Now you're running back to me, your sex toy. Are you stupid? What do you take me for? What do you think I am? There you go. Get out. Get out from this place. Out! I'm going to push you right now. Get out. Let me call you. From no easy, baby. Easy, pity poor, baby. Baby, Rob and I can have your name. It's so easy. It's okay. I'm sorry about it. It's okay.
Why? Why did you lie to her that I'm your wife when I'm not? Or was that a way to break up with her?
No, I did not lie to her. I told her the truth.
What truth?
The truth is that my mother wants you. And I cannot deny her one very important thing that she has ever asked of me in this life.
I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
Providence. Providence is the reason our paths cross. And it's for a reason.
You are sounding superstitious.
You know, in this life, people meet for a purpose.
So, you want to marry me because your mother said it must be me?
No, and yes. No, because my mother wanted you. Yes, because I actually spent some time with you, which made me feel you have everything I want in a woman.
You can't be serious. You don't even know if I'm seeing someone at the moment.
Told me you broke up with your ex. Yeah. The same reason I broke up with Jennifer. Because she lies a lot. And I know you hate liars.
She lies?
A lot. Imagine this girl lying to me that her father is one political juggernaut. Not knowing that her father is one horrible, poor man somewhere that has died a long time ago. Everything about her is fake. Even that bomb she's flaunting is fake. Yes, it's not real. That bomb that looks like one deflated tire. Yeah. Do you know that she wears that bomb pants? I used to bring her somebody from. She wears the pants. Girl.
Hey! Girls!
Telling you honestly. And her friend in the UK win her over with lies too. Yes. Not knowing that the guy is my friend. The guy called me, but that guy is my friend. That he will be coming back to pay the dowry of his fiancée. I was so curious. I was like, okay, guys, send me the picture. Let me see. so I can be happy with you. Unfortunately, my friend's fiancé happens to be my own fiancé too. Baby, you understand.
How did you both unmask her?
We decided to dig deep into the whole thing and find out that this girl's father was a poor barrel pusher that died a long time ago. A very poor girl, forming Bugatti. And a poor father, poor home, with poor flat bumble. Manager. Onny. How are you?
Where did you sleep last night?
At the living room.
Why? Why did I sleep in the guest room? Why?
I brought you where you'll be comfortable.
I'll be leaving this morning. What?
You don't know how I feel right now, knowing that your stay in my house is so short. I wish I can convince you to stay one more day.
But you know why I'm here now. It's for job hunt. That's why I'm here in Asaba.
If it's for job, I can get you a job here in Asaba. If you want. I made breakfast for us.
Okay. Let me go to the guest room and shower, then I'll come and help.
You can do that in my restroom.
It's fine.
You sure? Okay.
I didn't know you can cook.
Fancy Italian blackly. Okay.
Sorry for the inconveniences last night.
I know it's okay. It's nothing. It's fine. Okay? Yourself. I hope you're fine, right? Okay.
Ruby should have been here by now. I thought thought she said she already left the village. Let's go. Hey, what's up? Good morning.
I'm sorry. I ran into my village guy here in Asaba on my way to your place.
You ran into one of your village. Village what? And you forgot the reason you were here.
See, Ebuka wouldn't let me go. He insisted I followed him to his place.
I was worried about you, Ruby. You told me you were already on your way. Anyways, so...
Don't worry, I'll definitely come to your place today. So how are you?
Well, I'm sorry I didn't call you yesterday. Went clubbing, that's why.
Ha. You are clubbing. When are you going to stop? Because trust me, you really need to stop it.
Why are you complaining? You already know me from our school days. I've been a clubbing girl.
Quit.
Quit? Hell no. Baby girl is not quitting anytime soon. Come on, girl. How can I wait? I went clubbing with my man, not like I went alone. He's not complaining, so why should I quit? Besides, he gave it to me so sweet last night after clubbing.
Listen, Lillian, I know that we all are entitled to our opinions and take responsibility for our actions. But, you know, I don't like hearing things like this.
Ruby, will you stop it? I hope you're not coming to preach to me. Besides, I enjoy it more when I am drunk. Dan took me to the moon and back last night. It was heavenly.
You know what? I'll see you later.
Anyways, I hope to see you today. If I don't see you today, I'll come get you myself.
Bye.
I just hope this girl does not fall in love with anybody.
Babe, where are you going with your box?
You know I told you I'll be going to Lillian's place after breakfast.
Today is Sunday, and we will be going to 9 o'clock mass together.
Ebuka, that wasn't the plan now. I have to go for job hunt tomorrow being Monday. So I need to get to my friend's place today.
Come on, sit. Sit down, let me tell you something. Sit. Babe, have you not noticed that I've fallen head over heels in love with you? Don't notice it. Come here.
You have to do that.
Didn't you feel it? You're shy. My beautiful village wifey.
Stop.
At least I've made you laugh.
What?
You don't like me calling you that, but you're my wife, you know.
What about Jennifer?
Jennifer, what about her?
Please, let me eat my breakfast. You made this noodles yourself?
Yes, I made it myself. Have you forgotten I want to serve Chief Bennett of Guadalajara?
So I heard. How many years did you serve him?
A whole 15 years.
Wow. I'm sure he settled you so well.
I'm going to tell you my story when I'm back. So, can we eat now?
Hello? Hello, babe. How's the flight back to Lagos? Babe, why are you sounding this way? I should return the gift you gave. Come on, this is a gift. No, now, why are you sounding this way? This is a gift for crying out loud. You're reacting according to what my mom said to you. Babe, I told you to forget about what my mom said. I've pleaded with you so many times. Just let it go. Please. You know what? I'm not going to return any gift. Okay? I can't return any gift. This is a gift for crying out loud. What are you saying? You involve the police. Has it gotten to that, babe? Babe! Babe! Man, which kind of thing is all this one now? See what my mom is causing now, eh? Which kind of problem is all this one now?
You know, when the Reverend Father was calling the wedding band, I saw you beaming with all smiles on your face. What was that running through your mind?
The thought of my own wedding took the better part of me, and I couldn't help but beam with smiles.
You remember vividly well when the wedding band was being read. I actually had the same thought in my mind. That's the reason I turned and stared at you.
I saw it.
For real? I love you.
Euka, please.
I mean it. When I say I love you, I mean every word I say. You're the woman of my heart.
I wouldn't want us to be hasty about this.
Just believe me. I love you with everything in me.
You know, aside the fact that we come from same village, I think we need to know each other better.
Does it take millions of years to know someone? How long does it take to know someone?
Awesome service.
We're home. My love. We're home.
You keep making me uncomfortable. You know this.
How? Oh, Mama. My love, let me pick this call, okay? Hello, Mama. Yeah, I'm fine. We're just coming from the church. My wife and I, of course. Who else? Mama, I will not let her go. I calm down. I will make you happy. Who my wife is? Why are you asking me that kind of question? This is Ruby. Your own Ruby. Now you're shouting praise God. Okay. She's here. Let me give it to her so you talk with her. Mama,
morning, Mommy. Yes, we're just returning from Sunday Mass. Yes, ma. Okay, ma. Bye. Look at why. Why are you making things difficult for me? Why are you complicating issues?
My love, please, let's do this. Let's get married. Okay?
Because I'm not saying that we cannot get married. All I'm saying is that we need time to get to know each other better. Don't you get it?
Okay.
You don't just jump into marriage simply because you met a man.
Okay. What is it that you want to know about me? Ask me, I will gladly tell you.
My advice is we go into proper courtship. Let's study each other.
So you want courtship?
Yes.
My love, as you are seeing me like this, I am the only child of my parents. I am not married today because I've not been lucky with relationships. Okay? Or is there anything you're not telling me? Is there any man in the picture that you don't want to talk to me about? No, because I don't know why you are asking me, let's wait. Are you not sure of me? If you're not sure, you can... What I'm going to say is going to sound funny, but I just have to say it. You can take my picture to anywhere, any pastor, any prophet, to make sure I love you and I'm not letting you go.
I've said this to you before and I'm saying it again. There's no man in the picture. All I'm saying is that I want us to get to know each other. You know, get to know our likes and dislikes, what turns each other on and off, stuff like that.
So you want a relationship?
I said yes before.
Are you? Yeah.
What are you saying? Eh? You brought a girl home and your mother said no. The best thing for you to do is to go and bring another girl. But this time around, the one that is more presentable and even more healthier. Mother Butoya.
Mama, just imagine what you're saying. So I should throw away a relationship of so many years. All just because of you.
Kenneth, you're not just marrying her for yourself. You're also marrying her for me. Eh? You see that tiny thing I saw? Eh? She cannot deal with a woman like me. And you know it.
Exactly what she said. Exactly what she said. That she cannot deal with a mother-in-law like you. Yes! I didn't know why I didn't just decode this all this while.
Get the key in decode. What are you decoding? You want to decode an insult. She insulted me and you concord. It seems that you don't know why I did not decode it. Really? For this hearing, Auntie, it's beginning to affect your brain.
Dad! Kenneth! Is that you? My son.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, very fine. As you can see, I'm fine.
You're looking very young and healthy.
How's Lagos?
Fine, sir.
Fine, right? Is this your car?
Yes, sir.
Really?
I just acquired this one.
Oh, which means you've gotten a very good, lucrative paying job.
I thank God, yes.
Oh,
I got a very nice job.
I'm happy for you, my son. I'm happy for you. So, what's the name of this car now?
Oh, this is Venza, Toyota Venza.
Oh, Venza.
Venza, not Venza.
How is that? What's going on?
Okay. Try me and see. Rubbish, you can't sample. This is sample. This is sample. with you yet. This is sample. Try me. This is the tip of the iceberg. Nonsense. Rubbish. Try them next time. Look at those bunch of women. Eh? The next time they try me, even my dear Vam, I'll turn her to shreds. Nonsense.
Hey!
Bunch of illiterates. Eh? Talking to me anyhow. Classless human beings.
Caroline. Hey! Must you go to women's meeting to fight your fellow women? Must you?
Roland, you must be very stupid for asking me this question. You must be very, very stupid. It was all your fault. If for this nonsense, all your fault. If you had not brought me back from Lagos to this miserable village, those bunch of illiterates, they don't have the guts to talk to me anyhow. Eh?
You always think you are better than those women, isn't it? Just see the way you are looking. Look at your clothes, dirty. Look at your hair, scattered.
Okay, Mechiano.
You are looking like a mad woman.
Mechiano.
Hey!
You look like a mad woman.
Mom!
You look like a madman. Why a break? Look at you. Don't want me.
But he's telling you the truth now. You keep fighting everyone in this village. You fight Papa, you fight this one, you fight every woman in this village. Why now?
Kenneth, I don't understand. Do you expect me to keep calm, fold my hands, and watch somebody step on my toes? Is it possible?
At least consider us now. Consider us your children, your husband. Why are you doing this?
I considered you. That was why I did not commit murder. If not for you, I would have committed murder. Mom, yes, you heard me. What is her? What is her?
No, now. You know what you do? You next time you go to the meeting, kill all the women there.
I will.
So that they will know that.
Let them try me again.
Kill them.
Let them try me. Let them try me, I said.
You know your daughter is not married. My sister is not married. At least you consider that now for once.
What do I consider? What do I consider? She will marry, of course.
With this character. With this behavior.
Bia, Kenneth, you and your father should not push me. Bia, Kenneth, you and your father should not push me. Who never push them? By the way, get the Egypt.
Mama, this is not the time for asking me what I came back with. This is not the time for you to ask me that. I don't like what you're doing. I don't like how you're disgracing us.
Who is disgracing you? Yes, sir.
You
are position. Eh? I'm Monyala. I'm Mapola Roland. I'm Mapola. I'm Monyala. You know to me, Monyara. Be careful. Be careful, oh. Nonsense.
Hey.
Who is the owner of this car?
Mama, it's my car.
How?
Mama, this is not the time for asking me too much questions. I'm not in the mood for that. I don't like the way you're behaving.
You're not in the mood for what? Eh? Okay, who is the owner of this car, Biko?
He's just said he's not in the mood for that. And you, make sure you don't carry this woman in this car.
Never.
Otherwise, she will be fighting everyone along the road.
Until she change.
Let's go inside.
It's again.
Let's go inside.
You're a witch.
Eh?
So this is your car. This is your car.
Come on, let's go inside.
Okay, maybe I
go inside. I don't like what
you don't like what?
I don't like how you're behaving.
How you behaving that way? Come on, inside that car.
You, I will deal with you.
You,
Okwagi, Mama Jigo. Okwagi. Are you sure it's your owner of the car? Ozulezuko organize. Car we go mbute. What the brand new? It's a brand new car. So if I had wasted time, they would have planned coup against me.
Should they drag her children closer to hate their father?
Mama, why are you like this? Eh? Why are you an enemy of progress? You don't just want any good for me at all. Is that how that mother behave? Mama, for your information, those money that you've been collecting from me was given to me by that tiny waste. That's my baby that have been giving me all the whole money that you have been collecting from me. Now you are laying all kind of insult on her.
Now let me ask you. Did you tell me that it was that tiny waste that has been feeding you in Lagos? Eh? Did you tell me? You came here forming big boy. Eh? Now the truth is out.
Mama, you don't know what Stacy's family have done for me since she introduced me to her family. They have been so nice to me. They have been taking care of me. Now it gets to my own turn. What did I get? A nightmare.
Yes. Eh? Kenneth, you don't have taste. In fact, you're choiceless. Eh? So, amongst all the beautiful girls in Lagos, Chineke take your time work. He did not see anybody to choose. But that tiny girl, eh? Let me ask you, what is special about this girl? Eh? Is it that her tiny waist or I don't even understand? Eh? Listen before no. Tell me.
Mama, that tiny waist of a girl is my choice.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Shut up, bitch, sir. It's my choice. Choice again. Which choice? Do you have a choice? How come shut up?
Mama, if Stacy collect this card from me, if she collect this card from me, you will not like it, oh. In short, you will find me. You will look for me, you will not see me.
Are you now blaming me for your misfortune? Eh?
She was right.
Who was right? One banshee was right. Eh? She was right, Okuya. Now listen, I don't want to argue with you anymore. You better return this car back. Okuya, take it back and go and hustle as a man. You want to reap where you did not sow. Eh?
Damn. Wifey. Osaka. The jollof is very tasty.
Euka, calling me wifey when we're not yet married is rather off. You can call me Ruby.
I can't.
Anyway, you said you were going to tell me a story about yourself.
Oh, yes. Sorry. Okay. You see, I actually left Akabo Edoji to serve Chief Bernard Wadima as a teenager, very underage. And my master enrolled me in school. Yeah. Because of my inability to read or write, which was really affecting his business. He deals on drugs. Yes, at a work market in Onisha. No, he actually enrolled me in school, but his wife was actually fighting it. The woman wanted the man to discard me, but the man refused to do so because I was fatherless. Yes, you know, I used to do a lot of house chores. We used to do a lot of things. Wash the cars, wash clothes, go to the farm. You know, apart from the market business, you know, with the other apprentice, we used to do a lot of things, a whole lot. It's only Sunday that we do not go to market to do business. So I don't know why the woman was really fighting seriously for the man to...
What's with women and wickedness?
So my dear, that was it. If I tell you I started cooking when I was 12, I started pounding fufu, you won't believe it.
12?
Yeah. It's a very tender age.
Maybe, is your friend coming? When?
Do I know?
That means she didn't tell you she was coming.
She told me now. Babe, don't mind Ruby. She's in town already. But she said she's in one of her village boys' house. Can you imagine?
That means she's in Asaba already.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, wow. But, babe, that your friend Ruby is extremely beautiful. She's beautiful, oh.
More beautiful than I am.
No, come on. Come on, you're beautiful. But you know, everybody's beautiful in their own way. Like, you're pretty, you know. She's beautiful, you know. Just say, she's beautiful. You're pretty too, you know. But do you crave for chicken shawarma?
Yes.
With juice?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Okay.
I finished school and wanted to take my WAEC, but my boss's wife refused. She said that it wasn't necessary. But my master said no, that his own children took WAEC. That means I'm going to take my own WAEC.
Chief Benedict was God sent.
Yes. You know, my master saw me as a son, but the wife fought the whole thing to the last. She refused me. She never allowed me to read for my WAEC. But notwithstanding, I took the WAEC and I came out with 9 A's.
Wow!
You know, my master was so happy for me, you know, which aggravated the wife's anger on me. And the woman hated me with passion. I was supposed to serve my master for 10 years, but the wife refused. She said I spent some time going to school. I'm going to add like 5 years. I actually served them for 15 years.
Hey, that was pure wickedness.
You know, I did that because of the love my master was showering on me. You know, he loved me like a son. He pained me so much that my master never lived to see me graduate.
May God continue to rest his soul. He was a good man.
Do you know that after learning apprenticeship, my master settled me with 20 million naira unknowingly to the wife?
God of the fatherless.
Yes. He was a very nice man, but he couldn't achieve his aim. He did not have any heir before his death.
With all his wealth, he died without an heir.
His wife killed him.
You don't see. How?
You know, he told the wife to adopt a child from the orphanage, but the wife refused. She was so scared that Chief Bennett might will all his properties, all that he owned, to the motherless baby.
I even heard he died of cardiac arrest.
Yeah, so I heard. You know, the wife was so scared, even at me, that Chief might will all his properties, all his belongings to me, since he didn't have any son of his own.
The worst thing that can happen to any man is to marry the wrong woman.
You know, I actually left the house because the wife never wanted me to stay in their house and start my own business. So I left Onisha and went to Asaba, where I rented a room apartment. And from there I started importing my own drugs from India.
God is good.
That is it.
Mama! Oh, please, stay calm, eh? I want you to stay calm. Take care of Papa. Eh? Just take care of Papa for me.
Hey, no problem, I'm ready.
Alright. I have something for you. Oh. Mama. Oh, this is for you.
Nah.
Mama.
Hey.
Mama, make sure you use it and get good things for yourself.
I will.
Not just buying makeup and all these things. So.
Because stop. What is that?
Wait for Papa.
What happened?
I want to give him this.
Jerry, hold on. Be smart. Want to give him what? Use your number 6 now. Want to give this bundle to him. Eh?
Well,
take. Give him this one. What does he need money for? Eh? He doesn't need money. Go and give him that one. Go and give him. Men don't talk too much. Go and give him. Kenneth, go and give him. I'm supposed to snap with this car before you leave. Eh? At least take selfie.
Oh, Dad.
My son.
I'm leaving already.
Oh, now? Oh.
I will miss you, Papa.
I will miss you too. I will miss you, my son.
Please, manage this for me, okay?
Don't worry, eh? Give all the money to your mother. She needs it. No, let her use it and buy clothes and cosmetics. Eh? She needs makeups.
Is it because it's too small?
No. Oh, why? Just give it to her. Give all the money to her.
Okay, Papa. Please take care of yourself, okay?
Be careful.
Oh, no, you don't have problem.
You hear me?
Problem,
be careful, okay?
Right,
and
Papa.
drive. Don't overspeed. Drive gently.
You don't know me again.
I need to tell you. I'll tell you again.
I love my life so much.
You love your life too? I don't want to lose you. I love you, son.
All right, Papa. You say you don't want this, right?
No, give it to her.
Okay, Papa. All right, now take care.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Oh, my son. Caroline. I should have listened to my late mother when she advised that Caroline is a capital no.
Mama, he refused to collect money.
I told you he does not need money.
He said he should take all, he doesn't need it.
He doesn't need it. I told you, but...
I don't know his reason anyway. Mama, let me get going, okay?
So you will not snap me?
Mama, don't worry, I will snap you later. I'm very late, okay? I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Take care, Mama, okay? Mama, please take her more.
Am I a troublemaker? Because we are going to come and hug me very well. This one side hug that you gave me.
Mama.
No, the one side hug. Hug me because.
Are you okay now?
Girl, look at you.
Scream it, baby. My man has actually been doing a great job.
You don't say.
He's taking very good care of me.
See?
So tell me, what kept you aside, please?
My sister, you know he's my brother. So I can't just leave his place like that. He didn't even want to let me go.
Oh yeah? Your brother? But I can actually hear your wedding bell ringing. Your own wedding bell ringing.
What wedding bell?
Well, you never know. Something sweet might just work out between both of you. You just never know.
Something like
what? Something like... Oh, well, forget about that. So tell me, how does it look? I mean, is it tall? Is it handsome? Fair, short, average? Like all of that?
It looks good.
What's that look on your face?
What look?
Don't even deny it. I know you more than you know yourself, Ruby. You're actually blushing. Hey, my girl is in love. Ruby, you are in love. Tell me, how much do you love? In fact, do you love him? Hello.
Ruby. Ruby. Just thinking about her, I can't just sleep. I can't just close my eyes and sleep. I shouldn't have let her go. Hello, wifey.
What did you just call me?
Are you not my wifey? You are my wifey, whether you like it or not.
Is that what you called me this night to tell me?
Babe, I'm missing you. I'm missing you already. I'm missing you so much.
Really?
Yes, really. I will come and see you tomorrow.
Don't worry. I'll come over at your place.
Really?
Yes. Can you now go to sleep?
Of course, I will do just that. You know, I'm just happy that I've heard your sweet voice, so I can go to bed now, sleep.
Can you stop calling me wifey and go to bed?
Okay, wifey. You always be my wifey, and I will always love you.
Bye.
I can sleep and snore.
Ruby, you're dressed already. To where? Job hunt.
Job hunt? I thought your husband asked you not to go hunting for any job. That he'll help you get one.
Lillian. And who's my husband?
Who else? Sebastian, of course.
Lillian, Sab is not my husband.
That is because you are the one delaying it. Say yes to him and everything will fall into place.
Lily, please, don't start.
Come on. You've seen a husband, Ruby. A husband material, so they call it, right? And you're doing shakara. Ruby, that guy loves you crazy. He has called you twice this morning. In fact, his calls woke me up from sleep.
Look, Lillian, love is not enough. And I do not want to dabble into marriage without knowing who I'm getting married to. I need time to study him to be sure he's the kind of man I want as a husband.
Really?
Yeah.
That's funny though, because I don't know what you want to study. What do you work on studying? And what do you mean that they study? Eh? Once the man is rich, handsome, and he's savvy, I'm good to go. Yes. And his game. I am game. Okay, wait. Me won't want to study first. And I get character. I don't get better character now. So waiting that you study another person character.
Well, I am not desperate to get married. Period.
Really? Ruby, at least for once we have something in common. We have a synonymous trait, Ruby. So, you're not in a hurry to get married, right? Likewise, the feeling is mutual, so.
What? Nothing is here.
You look pretty though. See ya. Character. Character. You could just give me my way, Sabi. Can't get money, John. Fine on top. Lillian don't marry with that now. So I'll find character for. Ruby.
Hello, Jukes. Yeah. Okay, what's up? What's going on? No. It's not, it's not right. It's not right. Jukes, you came to me to ask for a loan, and I gave it to you as my friend. That's my business money. That is not a small money. That's my business money. I gave it to you, and up to that, but you said after 1 month. This is getting 3 months now. What are you talking about? You're in this business, so how do you expect me to do my own turn up? Bros, see. Chicks, I do not want to get angry, please. Do what you're supposed to do, please. Please. I don't want to listen to, I've been listening to all that rubbish, I don't want to listen to it again. Please. Please, I'm waiting, please.
I don't understand. Caroline was fined of a she-goat and 200,000 naira for accusing Beatrice of having her children through Udemba because Mbabie is impotent and couldn't father a child with her. How can she open her mouth to utter such garbage? Caroline didn't stop at that. She fought Beatrice and Joy dirty in their last meeting. What exactly did I do to Caroline to deserve all this? She goes about constituting nuisance round this village, all in the name of worth, I ask. Oh. She knew they were coming to Dave for their fine, and she left the house unceremoniously. But she will definitely come back. Let her come and tell me the name of the madness that has taken hold of her. Let her come.
Did you knock before entering this house? Did you knock?
I know.
But I did not hear it.
I'm very sorry.
Go back and knock. Stupidly come in. Nonsense. Drop it and walk out. Come here. What is inside that file?
So it's the document you asked me to arrange.
I arranged it.
Yes,
Get out, my friend. Rubbish.
How far? Have they gone?
Have which people gone?
The women now.
Which women? Look, Caroline, you will land yourself in jail one of these days if you don't check it. Huh? Are you aware that if Mbabe and his wife decides to take this allegation against you seriously, you are going to be a goner?
You and Grandma.
As an adult, you don't say everything you see. You chew words before you say it. But you run your mouth like a parrot. You don't even care whose ox is God.
But what I said is the truth. I know what I said.
Who even told you what you said is the truth? Who told you?
Abumumwaka, am I a child?
That's a fatal mistake. A palm wine tapper doesn't say everything he sees on the palm wine tree.
No problem. At least you have confirmed I did not lie. That is what matters.
Caroline, if your mouth runs into trouble in this village, this mouth you run, papa, in this village, and anything happen to you, I will not come out, oh. Don't call me. Do you hear me?
Don't come out. Let me tell you, you see that fine? I will not pay. Trust me on that. I will not pay. If they like, let them continue coming to this house. I will not pay. And that's for Beatrice and that her useless friend, Joy. They've not seen the last of me. The fight just started. You know what I can do.
Look at you. What do you think you are? You think you can vanquish the whole woman in this village? Is that what you are thinking? Huh? I pity you. You are not a superman or superwoman. Okay?
So tell me, you've been looking at that phone for God knows how long. And I've been here. You don't even behave as if I exist. I'm sorry. So, what is going on?
My friend, love is what is going on now.
It's all calm now. I said it. So, my girl is in love. I talk calm. So, you don't go fall in love with that your village boy, eh?
Look, this one is so deep, oh. It is so deep. I thought I was in love with that Yeti.
Oh, yeah?
Until I met Sab. Huh? Sab is everything I pray for in a man and more.
Really? Mm-hmm. So, tell me, have you guys done it?
Done what?
Come on, stop playing that game with me. Have you guys had sex? Like, have you slept with him?
Mm-hmm. I don't understand. Why would I? You expect me to open my legs like that, anyhow, just for a man? Don't you understand?
There's nothing difficult there now, eh? My friend, you're so stingy. I've always known you to be this stingy girl. Stop it. Get something doing with that guy. You're going to love it. Freely this thing was given, and freely you should share, you know.
Like, seriously?
Oh, yeah? You have to get down with that guy. You need to know if he's capable or not. That will even make him love you more.
Really? You know, I'm surprised you're telling me this. Seriously.
You're surprised? But it is the ideal thing. Get down there so you can be sure what is going on down there. You may like it, you know.
You know, I never gave it to Timmy that I dated for 2 years. And you expect me to do it with a guy I just got into a relationship with?
My friend, you're in love. Do you know what love is? Everything. Your emotions, your heart down there screams, I want you when you're in love. So what do? Snap it out, baby. Get down so you will be sure he's man enough to handle you. So you don't come crying to me tomorrow. You know, Sabi do anything, Get it done, baby. Come on.
Please don't touch me.
Why not?
Get your dirty hands away.
Babe, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. Please.
Are you done defending your evil man?
Babe, come on. This is not about my mom. I'm sorry. See, babe, my mom's judgment should not be the problem, right? This is about us. We have come a long way. And you shouldn't allow what my mom said to you, be the problem. You just need to calm down. I understand that we have a long way to go than actually reacting to what my mom said. After all, you know my dad has given us his last blessing. Yes. That is the most paramount right now.
Does it look as if I care? So let me tell you. I want you to return this car. Return the document. Return everything. I am done. I am done. I am tired.
What did you just say?
Yes. I just need to return it.
Has it gotten to this level?
Yes, sir.
Babe.
Don't baby me. I'm very calm today. I don't want to get upset.
Oh, you reacting this way, you're going too far. Asking me to return the car you gave to me as a gift.
Your mom took it too far.
This is a gift. You shouldn't be taking it back just because of what my mom did to you. I don't... Hold on.
You want the car, but you don't want to.
Hello, sis. Yeah. Yeah, she's here. Okay, let me give it to her. It's my sister. She wants to talk to you.
Hi, Ruby. Your brother insulted me. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Pardon. Thank you. To tell you, I'm accepting you back not because of your sister. If not, why are you laughing? Why are you smiling?
See,
do you know that I hate you?
Come on.
I
know you mean you love me. Let's go, okay? Let's go. Let's go and get ice cream or maybe find something to eat.
Just take me to
cinema. Alright.
Thank God. So you now have a job?
Yes, so thank God.
So how much is your salary?
Mommy, are you seriously asking me that?
What is wrong in your mother knowing how much your salary is?
Mommy, the salary is good.
Okay. Have you gotten a place of your own now?
No, I'm staying with my friend.
Okay. Just try and get a place because I can't wait to leave this village.
Mom, I was told you didn't find a sheepwood and 200,000 for accusing Maggie of being impotent, not being able to father a child with virtue. Why?
Who told you that nonsense?
Mommy, that was you going overboard. What if they had decided to take the matter to the king? You could face being excommunicated, you know that?
Nobody has the right to do that nonsense.
Mommy, honestly, you need to
take it easy. Take it easy. You're beginning to step on many toes in this village. You talk down on people, you insult them. No. You have to be careful.
I don't understand. Be careful about what?
Mom, you're well educated. So what's the problem? What's the problem?
I haven't seen Ruby around.
Yeah, she went to the village.
Oh, I thought it's more. So, how are you coping without her?
Man, if I tell you I've called her like 10 times today, 10 good times.
Just today?
You won't believe it.
Oh,
that girl is, I love her so much. You know, I can just do without her.
I understand how you feel. Who wouldn't love Ruby? She's beautiful, educated, and then she's 100 years wife material.
She's killing me. She's just killing me. So I can't just stop loving her. I will love her to the end.
So then what are you waiting for? Why haven't you tied the knot?
She wants courtship before marriage. And I obliged her.
Yeah, I think it's advisable. At least you get to know who you're going to spend the rest of your life with. So, yeah, that's cool.
And you, did you do any courtship before marriage?
Nah, my case is different. You know, I met my wife at the airport when I was returning back to Nigeria. And then it was love at first sight. Yeah. And then I have to take the bull by the horn. That's it. My bro.
Okay.
My bro.
Which style? No, the one I chose is that show back. I'll call you back.
I need to run. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll call you.
Okay. Just like that. Are you not going to give me something?
Mommy. Of course I'll give you.
I trust you.
This is 200,000 naira. Use it to buy what they find you and give the rest.
Eh? Do what? I'd rather die than pay that fine.
Mommy, look, I know why I'm doing this. So. It's not about I have this money plenty, but I don't want you to be excommunicated. I don't even know why you didn't use the last money I sent to you in that effect. Why?
Not after what they did to me. You know what they did to me? This one is for what?
I want to give it to Daddy. So that
you get him now. What does he need money for? All this money.
I wanted to give him.
Don't worry now, I'm here. He doesn't need money. I don't want to take care of him. Always say your prayers. Oh. Bye. He comes out here.
Gabuchonye, caro. Madana kweba Gabuchonye. Hey. Gabuchonye, caro.
Please. I've told you to stop calling me that. I don't like it.
Why will I stop calling you? When we will soon be in-laws. Eh?
Chinyere, I've said this before, but I will say it again for the last time. My daughter will not marry Euka. Okay,
Karo, Fanusigo, they will soon come home for their traditional marriage rites.
What?
Fire Nata very soon to do their traditional wedding.
I don't understand. Who authorized their union? Eh? Bia, Roland! 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 I beg no. Roland!
What's wrong with you?
Leave your husband out of this. As a matter of fact, he doesn't even know about it. He's hearing about it.
Why are you shouting my
now.
name anyhow like that?
Principal.
What's wrong with you?
Roland, who consented my daughter to marry Ebuka? Are you part of the plan? Answer me or not, kill him. Anyway, for the last time, take it or leave it. My daughter will marry only a well-deserving rich young man, suitable for her, and not Ebuka. Okay, Nanuya. Can't you go and
Ruby.
God forbid.
I
said God forbid.
Caroline, what will God forbid? God will forbid two young persons coming together as husband and wife? Is that what God will forbid?
Principal, ask her.
Caroline. So your children will not marry again because they have a mother. Isn't it? Let me ask you, Caroline, please, are you a witch?
You are the witch here. Roland, you are the witch here. Bia, watch what you say to me.
I only ask you.
Watch your tongue. Don't push me. And I don't mind you a witch. You are the witch here. Chinyere, I don't want to banter words with you. My daughter will not marry Ebuka. But try and see. You will see. Excuse me.
Chinyere.
Principal.
Tell your son, I am waiting for him here in this house. When he's ready, let him come with his kinsmen.
Oh, Principal.
Oh,
thank you very much. You will not be sick again. You are a good man. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hey! I thought you have gone inside to sleep.
Roland. Roland.
Caroline.
What?
Nothing. Just want to tell you I love you.
I love you too.
What in the world of sorcery is going on here?
Sir, are you committing incest with your sister?
What are you doing here?
I told you earlier, you can't use and dump me. Hell no.
After using and dumping me, now you've called back to me because he has dumped you for your lies. You lied about your father who fell from the rooftop and died a politician. Oh. Oh. You're shocked.
What are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about. Can you explain? Why do you lie a lot? Who is your father? Can you tell me who your father is?
You know what? She can have you whilst I'm still alive. As for you, like a snake, you've crept into his life, right? You've crept into my man's life.
Your ex.
Watch it.
Move it.
Your ex barging into our house every now and then is something I don't think I can deal with. I can't.
Really, I can't deal with this.
Yeah, come on. You see what just cool down. Come on, you see what just happened now. It will never happen again. She will never come into this house again.
Pick your phone, this girl.
My mom. Hello, mommy. Good afternoon.
Ruby, where did you keep your phone?
I didn't know it was ringing. My phone is always on silent.
Please keep your greetings to yourself. I don't need it. What is this thing I heard about you and Euka?
What did you hear, Mom?
Cut that pretense now.
Do you want to speak with him?
Speak with who? Eh? Now listen to me, Ruby. You will not marry Euka.
It's too late, Mom. We're already engaged.
I've said my own. You will not marry Euka. What is wrong with you? Eh? You want to marry an illiterate? You cannot write his name.
There's nothing you can do about it. I am the one getting married to him, not you, Mom.
Now let me ask you. Is it fair for a beautiful graduate like you to marry an illiterate? Eh? Is it fair? I have told you, Ruby. You will not marry Euka. Not under my watch. And if I see his ugly face in this house, trust me, you know what I can do. You know exactly what I can do. Just disobey me and watch. Nonsense. Let me see him here.
My mom. I'm sure you know what she was saying.
I know.
Really, you know?
I know. Come here. Come here.
Euka, good to see you again after a long while.
Thank you, Principal. Thank you. How are you people? I hope you're fine.
Yes, I'm good. You're not looking bad, I must say. You're looking good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Oh, that's great. Your mother came to us to tell us about your intention towards my beautiful daughter, Ruby.
Oh, that's okay. I've come to seek for your consent to marry your beautiful daughter.
It's okay. You already have my consent. My kinsman and I are waiting for you.
Lies! It's the one way. Waiting for who? Waiting for Euka. I don't understand. Eh? I cannot bring up my daughter, my beautiful daughter, to end up with a low life. Euka.
Mom, I don't get it. What kind of embarrassment is this? Please, babe, please wait. I don't understand. How do you look at a person and conclude their low life without knowing anything about them? Euka may have left this village a poor, fatherless boy that just left elementary school. Yes, we know. But things have changed. Life happened.
So tell me, what life happened to Euka? Tell me, where is his car? Eh? You proudly walked into this compound to seek for my daughter's hand in marriage with your legged Benz. Eh? And I'm very sure these clothes you're wearing, you borrowed them to impress us. But you can never impress me. At all. You cannot impress me.
What's your problem this week?
Mom, I should ask you that.
I am actually disappointed at you. As educated as you are, you measure a person's wealth like her?
Also, one year name. One. Also.
Hey. This your mouth. This your mouth.
Roland, please, don't start. Don't start. Euka. I don't know, he's just trying to pretend. You cannot marry my daughter.
Let's go.
You cannot marry my daughter.
Sir.
Ruby, Euka will not marry you. He will not marry you.
Stop this nonsense? Will you stop this nonsense? You started again. Look at your daughter that brought a handsome man like this to marry.
Handsome?
So what is your problem?
Money is handsome. Money.
Don't let this money turn you to something else. Money.
Please, don't take whatever my mother said to heart. I know her words hurt.
You know, my mother told me so many nasty things your mother has been saying about me. I purposely dropped the car and came to your father's house like this for me to just see her reaction.
This is same thing she did to Kenneth when he brought his fiancée home. Do you know the girl left?
Babe, the truth is this. Nothing will make me stop loving you. Okay? I am stuck in love with you.
I love you.
I love you more. You know, my world revolves around you. I'm going to marry you regardless. Come here. Don't mind your mother. I'm used to that.
Hey, see my babe. Baby. Babe, you glitter. Really? You glow. What is it? Oh my gosh. I'm so happy for you. So tell me, how is your sweetheart? My sugar? Yeah, your sugar. It's fine. Oh yeah? Hey, see blushing. Seriously, I am so happy for you. I am so happy. So, like, you're getting married very soon. Yeah. Oh my chest. And she's seeing my car. I'm seeing every. He used to propose. Yeah, you told me, and it's amazing. Congratulations. Thank you. Hope I am your maid of honor. Are you asking? To avoid fight though. Of course you are. Oh yes, scream it. Seriously, I'm so happy for you. Thank you. I am so happy for you. Thank you. My girl is getting married. Oh yeah. So what about your dad? My dad is doing very well. When are we hearing the wedding bell? You know, I am so scared of that stuff. Oh shit. Like, Ruby, you know I have phobia for that thing. I'm not ready. It comes with a whole lot of responsibilities. So I don't know. What exactly are you scared of, Lillian? What? Thing is, I'm not ready. My guy is not ready. So let's just say we are two of a kind. So, with the way people are going, what if you get pregnant? What? Yeah. That's not happening anytime soon. I'm pretty sure you do this thing without protection. Rub it to my face, girl. Oh, but that's true. Just rub it all over. Well, he gives me contraceptives. What? What? Every girl does it. So what's what? No, you don't say that. Don't say that.
The day I set my eyes on you.
Did I tell you that Jennifer came to the house the other day and saw me kissing Ruby while doing the dishes in the kitchen, and she was so shocked?
Look, bro, I've told you several. I don't want to be hearing anything about that girl. Bro, if I tell you what that girl did to me,
what?
She practically ripped me off. I was foolishly busy sending her millions and millions of euros, including cars. Do you know how many cars that girl has driven that I sent her? Yeah, the bitch was practically living off me.
Do you know that she was using me to wait for you? I was giving it to her anytime she wants it. You know she's wired on the bed. There's no style that she has not given me. Trust me, and I give them left, right, and center anyhow she wants it.
Bro, you were enjoying then.
All the same, she was ripping me off.
Well, she's the sweetest. The reason I actually wanted to marry her, but then I found out that she's a chronic liar.
She's not sweeter than my wife. Phoebe.
Yeah. Have you heard her?
Hey. I have something special for you. Come. Please. Please follow me. Come on.
Yes.
Oh my god.
So cute.
Like it?
Yes, I do. I love it. It's so cute.
Yeah,
Seriously.
You know what?
What?
I want to show you something else. Downstairs.
Okay.
Come here. My love, thank you for this gift you've given to me. And today I want to promise you that I will never leave you for another. The day I'll do that, let me not just see good thing in my life.
Stop.
Yeah, but that's the truth. Knowing you is the best thing that has ever happened to me. This is the best decision I've ever taken in my life.
I believe you 100%.
Thank you so much. I will always love you.
You know, I never thought I would find love so easily like this after I ended things with my ex. But look at me. Look at me here today about walking down the aisle with my true love. It feels so good.
I will always cherish this day.
So tell me, what are your plans for the future? I mean, how many kids would you like us to have?
How many do you want?
I want 4. 2 girls, 2 boys.
That's not bad. I think I want 8.
What?
5 boys, 3 girls.
You are not serious.
So we need to start making babies now. Like right now.
No.
Come here.
No.
I'm happy for you, bro.
Don't know that I felt bad. I felt very bad when I realized that she was using me. Jennifer was actually using a big boy like me. You know, they say that men do use girls and dump them. But in my own case, she dumped me. She used me like a fool and dumped me. You know, I felt like ripping, snuffing life out of her.
You haven't heard the latest, bro. I had to take all my cars from her my own way.
Are you joking?
No. Bro, you don't know what I'm capable of. I lived all my life abroad. We ran the city of Manchester. Bro, I barged into her. Recovered all my car keys, including my house key, and then kicked her out of the house on gunpoint.
Hold on. The house? So it's not hers? Because she lied to me that the father bequeathed that house to her.
Oh, come on, then don't mind that then. It's one of my houses in town. I had to let her stay there when she was like, she needed a place and then she wanted her own privacy. I said, okay, fine, please, you can have it. You see? But then I didn't know that she was using the house as a brothel, where she brings men to sleep with and her fellow women as well.
What?
You just heard me.
Is she a lesbian?
I didn't know, bro, but then she's not just a lesbian. The girl is an escort, a street girl. Yeah, she sleeps around with men and then one of her partners that she fell off with, she was the person that told me all this, told me about her and her family. And she even showed me video evidence of how she was making out with 3 other girls. That is terrible, bro.
What?
Yeah.
Are you being serious right now?
For real? For real.
Damn.
Ka nkele tinye nwa agabeghị ibe tinye nwa ha thank God I met you. I was even coming to your house. Is there any problem? I'm afraid there is. It is said that an elder doesn't sit at home and watch the she-goat deliver in tetas. Your son Ebuka cannot marry Caroline's daughter. Is it why you are coming to my place? Bam. See, don't you see how Caroline runs her mouth in this village? As if her husband owns this community and every one of us. Huh? Agatha, I don't indulge in village gossip. Chinyere, it is not a gossip. Oh. You cannot sit and watch things go wrong. That is what I'm saying. Huh? Is it only you that doesn't know Caroline is a no? That woman is a bad influence. She can't be your in-law. That is what I'm saying. What are you emphasizing? Exactly what I'm emphasizing. Ebuka cannot marry Ruby. There are so many beautiful girls in this community for him to pick a wife from. And not that daughter of a lunatic from a family that family that has a very bad record. Let me clear your eyes. Oh, my son, Ebuka, is marrying Ruby and not her mother, Caroline. Chinyere, Ruby must behave like her mother. No this and no peace. My son loves Ruby. And Chinyere, I was the one that recommended that Ruby for my son. Yes, I recommended it to my son, yes. You were very much around when Caroline fought Beatrice in our in the Yomdi and was fined of a very big she-goat and 200,000 of face excommunication. She had to pay that fine through her nose.
She was playing and dribbling me. You know, whenever I brought up marriage topic, she would rather run off and come back. And come back whenever she had need for me.
Women. That gender. What that gender is doing to our gender is terrible. And then at the end of the day, they will play the victim, calling us men the heartbreakers.
Jennifer broke my heart. Jennifer broke my heart into 1,000 pieces. I felt used. I wanted to have a pound of my flesh. I wanted her to pay for it. But my wife said I should let it go.
Well, bro, it's good you listen to your wife because at the end of the day, life is mysterious. Look at us now. We ended up with beautiful women.
I'm telling you, good
Yes,
boys.
yes, that's life.
Yeah, so my wife is so sweet. She's just the best.
Bro, we are blessed.
But that girl used me.
God has a way of doing things. You know,
that girl used me.
Forget about her. Forget about her.
Agatha, I love that girl. And I can't wait to see her married to my son and child. Chinyere, reconsider your stance on this. That girl should not turn to a chameleon overnight after she's completely married into your family. I know why I'm saying this. You worry your head too much. Allow me to worry about that. I know why I'm saying this. Ebuka is your only child. You can't afford to trade the happiness of your only child for that daughter of a lunatic. Agatha, I know you are thinking out for me and my son. But let me tell you the truth. There is no problem. Yes. There is no cause for alarm. Trust me, there's no cause for alarm. You are still insisting on Ebuka marrying Ruby. Are you sure this is ordinary? Because I don't trust that Caro. If Wanya, Caroline, I trust Wanya. No cause for alarm. Relax. You see, I was going somewhere before you stopped me. Reconsider your stance. So Ruby is not the only beautiful girl in this community. Biko, don't go and kill your only child. Oh. Ruby.
Hey! How many times? Atalugo. Where did I wear the other? Nemo. God, I thank you. To God be the glory. Finally, my daughter got married to the most handsome, rich young man in this town. What God cannot do does not exist. Hey.
Caroline, you surprise me. You are not celebrating the same Evuka that you called poverty-stricken Itiboribo. Huh?
Ha! Roland! Judgment Day. Please don't say what I did not say. That was not what I called him.
Yeah. Please, what exactly did you call him?
Oh God. You see this God this God, he's so wonderful.
He's a wonderful God, man.
Imagine how he turned the rejected stone into a cornerstone.
Hey!
That same Ebuka. Hey, God.
Disgrace them.
No. Wonderful.
I am proud of you. You made me proud. Like daughter, like mother. Thank you so very much. The man you married is exactly the kind of man I want for you. You did not fall my hand at all.
Oh. Caro, you're not even ashamed of yourself.
Keep quiet!
Mom, how dare you show that up? In his own house?
Caroline, is it because I didn't tell your children the reason we relocated to the village? Infidelity.
What?
Yes. My children, I went through thick and thin to train you out of school. While your mother lavished her salary on material things and makeup, now she turned around to say, I abandoned you for her to train. That is not true.
Daddy, we're truly sorry. We were misled by our own mother. We acted out of ignorance. Please, forgive us.
Dad, I'm truly sorry. But why didn't you let us know that she committed all this? Why didn't you let us know?
I don't know.
Dad, I'm very sorry, please. It's not our fault. We are deceased. She made us believe she single-handedly saw us through school. Where else? She was busy using her money to buy makeups and clothes.
Dad, I know how you feel. I know that you're very disappointed in us. Oh, please. It was our mother.
I've forgiven you.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you.
You see, this is what happens when children refuse to follow details. I forgive you.
Thank you very much, Dad.
Forgive me.
Thank you.
I love you.
You're such a good man.
I love you.
I'm so sorry.
I love you.
Come on, Ruby. Come on. You don't have to keep doing this. Look, tomorrow is your traditional wedding day. You shouldn't be crying this way. I feel so low. I feel so terrible. I understand. I honestly understand how you feel.
You don't understand the very sad relationship between my father and we, his children. Our relationship is nothing to write home about. Because my mother never allowed us to get close to him.
Ruby, I think you need to apologize to your father at this point.
But we've already done that, and I feel so bad. I still feel bad.
Then you have done everything. You don't need to be like this.
I don't know if I can forgive my mother. I don't know if I have any space in my heart to even forgive her.
Don't say that.
I still feel bad.
Ruby.
Hi! Ruby! So happy to see you. Congratulations. Thank you. Yeah. I told your brother. You came. Hi. Yes. Babe!
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, so good to see you.
There's your mom.
Oh, she's inside.
Okay.
You see, everybody's coming together for tomorrow. Your special day. Ruby, you don't need to be like this, okay? Tomorrow is going to be more beautiful. Most importantly, you've done the most amazing by apologizing. So I think it's enough. Sharon. Hey.
My husband, I know I've really offended you, but please forgive me. Please, I'm sorry, forgive me.
Oh,
Please.
very bad.
I'm sorry.
Very bad one. Hmm? I told you your sin will find you out. So I told you.
I'm sorry, please. It's the devil. Forgive me, oh, Biko.
I'm forgiving you.
You forgiving me?
For the sake of my children, I'm forgiving you.
Dad! Good evening. Mom?
You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you. Oh!
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank
Dad,
you.
she actually came for Ruby's traditional marriage.
Hey, that's fine. Oh, thanks for coming.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
I got something for you.
What about me?
Oh,
Mom. Don't worry.
Okay.
Trust me.
Okay, you guys have a nice time.
All right.
You are still asking of your own. I thought you just repented. You just.
I'm just trying to familiarize with her now.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I thought you've accepted.
I've accepted. Just so that.
No, carry me.
Yeah, I should carry you. My leg, can it carry you? Try and see first. Try. Sit down properly.
Babe, see this one. It's nice. This one.
Yeah, it's nice, but I like the last one we saw.
The other one.
Yeah, it will make you look elegant.
Yeah, it's nice, but I think this is better. I prefer this one. It's really nice.
Wait, is it not what your husband wants you wear?
Babe, that one is going to show my cleavage now.
Yes. I want people to see how beautiful and how sexy my wife is looking.
Babe, you're not serious, are you?
I am very serious.
Look,
you know?
Sorry, babe, my dad is calling.
Okay.
Hi, Dad. Hello to the best dad in the world. How are you, Daddy? Really? And no one deemed it fit to tell me. That's not fair now, Dad. Guess what, Daddy? He's the one calling now. Let me take his call. Hello? Dad was just telling me. I'm happy for you, my brother. Please tell my wife that I'm going to call her right away. Bye. My brother Kingsley is going to pay Stacy's diary tomorrow.
That's nice.
Yeah, nice. I'm so happy for them.
I'm happy so. Are we done with what we were doing before?
We're going with the one I said that will cover my body better.
Babe, you're going to look elegant that thing.
Girl, I've been waiting for you, waiting for someone like you. From the day I sent my eyes.
Wifey, I called earlier. You were in the kitchen. Do you cook? This man picking the cook. It's fine. My people are still coming today now.
If you leave me, baby, I go die.
Oh, okay.
I've been waiting for you.
I'll call you later to find out how you want. Bye.
My lover, I've been waiting for you. Where have you been, my baby, my baby? Anything you want, I will give to you.
Do not, my God.
my nigga.
What's up?
I'm good.
You're looking sharp always.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. My nigga.
That lady to take care of you very well. How is she?
Man, my beautiful wife is fine. She's doing well. And then the baby in the womb is actually doing well. Because sometimes I can feel her kicking.
Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah, that's nice. That's fulfilling. So, how is your wife? Does she go to work?
She did not go to anywhere. I just want her to stay at home and rest.
It sounds nice. You know what? You make a very good husband.
Just tell me I will make heaven.
Nah, we know about the heaven thing. We know you're not going to see heaven, but you make a very good husband.
My guy, let's go on there.
Yeah. Let's
catch fun out there.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Carol, thank you very much. How are my people? And how is Principal, my uncle?
He's fine, no, Okogo. He's sleeping inside.
Yeah. Thank God. I was told you came to the house the other day.
Yes.
I wasn't around. I went to see Eugene, the land agent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. Oh, just my son, your son-in-law. He wants to buy those lands, those acres of land that is at that Oyimio, along the express.
Kambekwa, that one by the express.
Along Hanchanin, all of them.
Your
in-law wants to buy them.
Hey!
Oh, my friend.
My friend turned-in-law. My friend turned-in-law. I know.
Didn't I say it?
Madam Materials cannot make it right. I was only protecting my daughter. You know?
It's okay.
Hey.
It's okay.
God of the fatherless. Hey, book of yesterday.
I wish Ikemba was alive. Ikemba, my husband. I'm going to go closer.
God has used this to compensate you.
Amen.
Hey.
It's true.
Thank God.
Just that, if Ikemba had been here with me, to see his son, that little Ebuka.
Well, there is no need for regrets. You know, or we'll answer the call one day. Hey, what do you think? Let me get you.
Oh, my God.
I know you're swimming in money, looking fresh.
Don't worry. You will come back. You will repeat that visit.
Of course.
If I wasn't around.
Of course.
You will come. Let me be going. Don't worry. Make sure you come.
I will come.
Hey,
I'll go.
From the day I set my eyes on you, I cry. Baby, where you been there? 'Cause you're beautiful. You are wonderful.
Looking back. You are not looking back. Look at your hair. Sorry, you said something. We missed you. Who are we? What's this?
Just open it.
Babe. You run a PT.
Yeah.
And it's positive.
Positive, baby.
Wait, you're pregnant. Oh my God, come here. Oh my God. Babe, you're pregnant.
Yes, we're expecting.
We actually expected.
And it's going to be a baby.
Oh my God. Oh, come here. Thank you. You know what?
What?
It's gonna be a baby girl.
No. A baby. Bouncing baby boy.
It's gonna be a bouncing baby girl.
It's gonna be a boy.
I want a bouncing baby girl.
I want a boy.
Gonna be a bouncing baby girl.
No. It's gonna be a bouncing baby boy.
No. A baby.
From the day I set my eyes on you, I cried, baby, where you been there? 'Cause you're beautiful. You are one.
Mommy.
Daddy.
My
You're
daughter.
aging graciously.
Oh, thank you very much. Ebuka.
Yes, Daddy.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
This one that you and your wife, you are grinning from A to A. Eh? Is there something you want to share with us? Because my ear is itching.
Oh, yes. The thing is that we're expecting, my wife and I.
Eh? Hey!
This is good. This now.
This is good news.
Good news.
best news
Ebuka, I'm happy for you. You see, you are a very good sharpshooter.
Namo, Okogo, Okulo Kalesia, Bimpa Cable. Up for you.
You're right.
Exactly.
Hey.
And we are also preparing for our wedding. Yeah.
That's a good one. I'm very happy for you. Very, very happy.
The best news ever. Where, Mama? Never.
And please, you see this first issue? Eh? I'm the one that will come for the Omugo. Yes.
Anyway. Nah! Ogabuja!
Are you there? Okay.
Hey!
Hi. Sorry, I didn't close the door. Okay, sorry.
Why not?
Alright.
So.
Okay, guess what? Just guess.
What?
I got my visa. I'm traveling to Europe.
What visa are you talking about?
Oh, yeah, I'm traveling to Europe. Yeah.
You're traveling to Europe and you're just telling me.
Oh, Luchy, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I have an explanation for that. An authentic one, and I think just listen. You see, the last time I was preparing to travel, I was busy with my documents and everything. I ended up spilling the good news early enough. I told people about it and I ended up not getting the visa. So my uncle advised me, he said, do not spread the good news before the event happens. So he said, keep it to yourself. Don't tell anybody. When you get the visa, you can now tell the ones you want to tell and travel. So you're the first person I'm letting.
Keep it to yourself. Don't tell anybody. So I am just anybody. No, tell me, I am just anybody to you. What does that make of you as my man?
Baby, listen,
Hey, hold on. Let me ask you. What happens to us?
Okay, babe, listen. I really can't promise you anything at this moment because I'm traveling. I don't know what I'm going to meet there or how my life is going to turn. So I would suggest you move on with your life.
Hold on, I don't understand what I'm saying.
Okay. Listen, baby. Just listen, okay? Listen. I just want you to understand me, okay? You're a beautiful girl.
Go on.
Okay, listen. You're a beautiful girl, a very pretty girl. A lot of guys would want you, so you can just move on.
How dare you? How dare you, swine? How dare you talk to me like that? I can just move on. After everything we've done together, all of the shit together, you have the nerves to tell me that. How dare you, I ask again? It's obvious you never loved me.
Okay, listen, you and I know this. In the first place, I don't think it was right for you to have hit me, but I'll let it pass.
And I will hit you again if you're not careful of your utterances.
You and I know this. Everything we've been having here is just fun.
Shut up!
Listen. I have been trying to be very calm here, but I'll let it pass. You don't hit a man. It is wrong.
Get out.
Thank you for the slap. You really got to me. Thank you. And I also hope you have fun.
Girl, I've been waiting for you, waiting for someone like you. From the day I set my eyes on you, I cried, baby, where you been there? Cause you're beautiful, you are wonderful, down to earth, now wife material. You know they stress me, you know they give me wahala. If you leave me, baby, I go die, yo. Hey, I've been waiting for you. Where have you been, my lover?